Hey guys, back to the doghouse today, working on the Fargo. Finally got my frost plugs in, freeze plugs, whatever you want to call them. As you remember in my last video, I showed you I have one that's leaking, but I don't want to take the truck out while it's leaking. I want to get it fixed, because you know what's going to happen. I'll be away from home and the damn thing will blow, and next thing I'll be on the hook, getting her towed home. So anyway, today I'm going to change the frost plug. Let's see how it goes. Well, I drained the rad. That didn't go too bad. And then I knew I had to move the motor mount, because the frost plug, freeze plug, whatever you want to call it, is right behind the motor mount here. And the frost plug is right behind this motor mount. And of course, the motor mount, I had to jack the motor up. I used my stand here. And with the motor mount, I want to take the motor mount out. Take the motor mount out. I took the 3 bolts out here, and here's a bolt here, and my fuel pump is in the way. Son of a gun. So now I got to take the fuel pump off. This turned into a real shit show. But anyway, we'll get it one way or the other. Well, this job just keeps on getting worse and worse and worse. Finally got the fuel pump off. Now I still can't get the motor mount out because it's hitting the manifold. So now I got to take the manifold off. So it's just one big shit show. Anyway, gotta do what you gotta do. I'll be back. There, we got the manifold off. Got to get the motor mount out. Well, the motor mount's out. Got to get down in here to get the frost plug out. What a pain in the ass. I just remembered there's a plug here on the other side of the engine, a drain plug, because the block is going to be full of antifreeze. So I'm going to drain this here. I got more freeze plugs here, but I'm going to change them later. Right now I'm just going to drain this here. Try to keep down the mess. Oh, there's the frost plug. Freeze plug, whatever you want to call it. I would say it's a screwed plug. But anyway, now to get that out. Everything's stuck in the road. We'll be back. Okay, I hope you can see that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take my big screwdriver. Just hit the side of this here and see if I can knock it in. I've never done this before, so this is all new to me. If I knock it in on one side, it'll come out on the other side. Not 100% sure, but we'll find out. So far, it's not working very good. Maybe get a bigger hammer. Not much room to work under here.
Sorry about that.
Not working out very good. Son of a bitch. Maybe my screwdriver's too long. Oh, that just puts a hole in it. So that didn't work very good. Need something a bit more blunt. Not working out very good at all. Try going through at a different angle. Nope, that just wrecks it. Oh, I screwed it up now. Okay, now I've got to get it out. Well, I got it out. Wasn't easy. You can see it's all pitted here, but I have no idea where it was leaking, but I guess the leaking there would shove the screwdriver through. But anyway, the frost plug that I have that I'm going to put in is called an expansion plug. It's rubber. It kind of works the same principle as the old thermos type plugs. So I'm going to clean that hole up and put that expansion plug in. Okay, I got it in there. The brass big plate is flush against the block. What I used a pry bar and I had to pry it on the top, bottom, and the sides. Or just you want to get it flush all the way around. So anyway, I just have to tighten up this nut, and it'll expand that neoprene rubber, and hopefully my motor mount fits in there again. So anyway, okay, there it is. I tightened that as tight as I could because that stretch, that makes the rubber stretch out in diameter, and seals that hole. So now I've got to put it back together again. It's not an easy job, not this one here anyway, but I've got a bunch of other ones to do yet, and I'm not going to do them today because it's way too time consuming, but I got the main one. This is one that was leaking. So anyway, guys, thanks for hanging around. I hope this helped somebody. So there you go, guys. One frost plug or freeze plug, whatever you want to call it, removed and replaced by an expansion plug. Thanks for hanging around. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And we'll do the other ones on another day. I just want to get this here done so I can take it for a tour on the long weekend. So anyway, have yourself a good one. Bye now.